Welcome to Python Programming, where we will explore the fascinating world of coding. In today's episode, we will dive into the basics of one of the most popular programming languages, Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python is a versatile language that has gained immense popularity due to its simplicity and readability. So let's get started with our introduction to Python. Before I begin, please take some action now. Subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Python is a high-level interpreter programming language that was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It was designed with a strong emphasis on readability and simplicity, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals alike. Python's syntax allows developers to express concepts in fewer lines of code compared to other programming languages, which makes it easier to learn and maintain. Now let's take a look at some of the key features that make Python stand out. Readability. Python's syntax is designed to be highly readable and intuitive. It uses indentation and white space to structure code, eliminating the need for curly braces or semicolons. This makes Python code visually appealing and easier to understand. Simplicity. Python's simplicity is another major advantage. It provides a clean and straightforward syntax, which allows developers to focus on solving problems rather than worrying about complex syntax rules. Versatility. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications. It offers extensive libraries and frameworks. Python's versatility makes it suitable for everything, from scripting to building large-scale applications. Cross-platform. Python is a cross-platform language, meaning that it can run on various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This portability makes it easy to develop and deploy Python applications across different platforms without any major modifications. Large community. Python has a vibrant and active community of developers worldwide. This means that there are plenty of resources, tutorials, and support available for beginners. If you ever encounter a problem while coding in Python, you can rest assured that there is a strong community ready to help you. Scalability. Python is known for its scalability. It can handle both small and large projects with ease. Many popular websites and applications, including Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, have been built upon using Python. Its scalability makes it an excellent choice for projects that may grow in complexity over time. Getting started with Python. Now that we have a good understanding of Python's features, let's talk about how to get started with Python. Number 1, installation. To start coding in Python, you need to install the Python interpreter on your computer. You can download the official Python distribution from the Python website. Once installed, you'll have access to the Python interpreter and a range of development tools. Number 2, IDEs and editors. There are various integrated development environments, IDEs, and text editors available for coding in Python. These tools provide features like code auto-completion, debugging, and syntax highlighting, making your coding experience more efficient. Number 3, learning resources. Python has an abundance of learning resources to help you get started. You can find numerous tutorials, books, and documentation on the Python website and other programming communities. Number 4, practice. The best way to learn Python is to practice writing codes. Start with simple exercises and gradually move on to more complex projects. Practicing coding to solve problems will sharpen your skills. We hope you now have a better understanding of what Python is and why it's so popular among developers. Remember, Python is a versatile language with a strong community, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click the like button for more videos about Python. Come back and join us again. Until then, happy coding!